of his existence, man had often found nature as his friend. But destructive phases of the nature were also very common to him, such as cyclone, volcanic eruptions, forest fire, blizzard, and so on. Although it is true that on the course of time and due to the development in the field of science and technology, man has become capable of controlling nature to some extent. But nature has proved its supremacy in making gigantic disasters. Among all the dreadful natural happenings, earthquake is one of the most common ones. Earthquake can be defined as the sudden shaking of the ground due to formation of seismic waves through the rocky plates underneath the earth's surface. Despite inconceivable progress in science, man is still unable to have instantaneous forecast of earthquake. As a result, earthquake causes innumerable losses of life and property. Our model earthquake alarm is a simple effort to make people alert during earthquake and thus to save our lives. To make our model, we need some easily available materials. They are two 9-volt batteries, two 9-volt clip connectors, a buzzer, one small LED flashing light, two on-off switches, a metal nut, copper wire, an eye screw, chalky board and cardboard, both sides gum tape, glue gun and fevicol, scissors and knife. First of all, we will make the vertical axis for the two tiers of our model. To make the axis able to hold the tiers firmly, we will use a rectangular cardboard for making the axis. So, we are cutting a long piece of cardboard of about 20 centimeters in length. From the piece of the cardboard, we will cut another small rectangular piece. This will form the topmost tier. Thus, we have got two pieces of cardboard. To support the topmost tier, we will attach a chalky board on it. Now we are pasting the tier on the vertical axis. We are using a set square to keep the tier at right angle. Thus our first tier is ready. The second tier of our model will be an eye screw through which a naked wire will pass. At first, a small piece of chalky board is cut in a square form. Now, we will take an eye screw and attach it on the chalky board.
Then we will use a pencil to make a point on the first tier so that the point is aligned with the hole of the eye screw. Now, to ensure that the hole of the eye screw and the hole on the first tier is on the same straight line, we will use a set square and draw a straight line on the axis. Now we will fix the second tier, that is the eye screw, on the straight line using gum, keeping a distance of about 6 cm from the first tier. At last, a hole is made on the topmost tier using a sharp screwdriver needle. Thus, the two tiers of our model are ready. So, the wire will pass through the topmost tier and finally through the eye screw. Now, we are pasting the vertical axis on the base of our model using gum. We are gumming it properly. We are passing a naked wire through the hole on the first tier and then through the eye screw. Then we are fixing a metal nut at the end of the naked wire. Here we are using glue gun to prevent the naked wire from falling down from the first tier. This is the switch. We are connecting the red wire from the clip connector to one end of the switch. We will connect the buzzer now. A wire from the positive terminal of the buzzer is now being connected to the other end of the switch.
Light.
Now it's the time to connect the light. With a wire, we are connecting the positive terminal of the light to the positive terminal of the buzzer. Then we will join one wire to the positive terminal of the buzzer, which will later attach to the top of the eye screw. After that, we are pasting the light on the vertical axis just below the nut. Then we will attach the black wire from the clip connector to the wire coming from topmost tier. The battery is connected to the clip connector. After that, we will connect the negative terminal of the light to the negative terminal of the buzzer with a wire. Therefore, when vibration starts, the hanging wire will touch the eye screw and complete the circuit. This makes the light to glow and buzzer to produce sound. Now we are cutting a cardboard to make the base of the artificial grassland. On the side of this board, we are making a hole to fix a switch for the vibrator. The switch is all set. Here we are setting a mini vibrator under the base of the artificial grassland. One end of the vibrator is being connected with one end of the switch. Then the red wire from the cliff connector is being connected to the other end of the switch. Finally, we are connecting the other end of the vibrator to the black wire from the clip connector using a naked wire. With both side gum tape, we are pasting the battery and the vibrator under the base. Now the base of the grassland and the vibrating materials are ready. We will cover the lower part of the base with another cardboard. We are using gum to paste it properly. We are placing the new cardboard now. We are also using sellotape for proper pasting. Now we are using the glue gun to paste the artificial grassland on the cardboard cover. We have placed the grass on the cardboard cover. We will place the main model on the grassland now. After that, We will switch on both the vibrator and the main model. It will make the land to vibrate and it will lead to the light to glow and the buzzer to produce sound. Here we are making a house which will be placed on the grassland.
Using its sound and light. So it is working by the basic circuit concept, that is when this wire, as a result of vibration of earthquake, is touching the ice screw, and since ice screw is a metal substance, the current is flowing through it and reaching here where also connections are made from the negative terminal of the clip connector. That's why the circuit is getting completed when this positive terminal of this buzzer and light is touching here. So the circuit is getting completed. As a result, the buzzer is also producing the sound and this light is also glowing, and we have created this artificial grassland to make a natural look, below which we have fitted two vibrators which will act as our main vibrating component. That is, when we are switching on this switch, the vibrators below it are vibrating as earthquake, and thus this model is also producing the sound. This is all about our model, and as I have also mentioned earlier, it is working with the basic circuit concept and it is easy to make also, and thus this easy model can also become a lifesaver and is very helpful for awareing people about art. Thank you.